And happy Easter. So today I'll be teaching you a simple way to make your brown sugar scrub. Here we have brown sugar, baking soda, honey, olive oil, sweet almond oil, and here we have turmeric and cinnamon powder. So you start by, I'm just going to do small sample. So I'll take like 5 tablespoons of the brown sugar. That's 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder to it, or just half tablespoon of baking powder. Remember, baking powder dries out the skin, so when scrubbing your face, you don't have to leave it on your face for more than 2 minutes. And it's also a very strong whitening agent. So you can either choose to use olive oil or sweet almond oil, but I'll be using the both of them. Even coconut oil is okay. So I'll be adding a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons, and then 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil as well. For those in Nigeria, you can get this at Everyday Supermarket or ShopRite. I bought my own here in Owerri at Everyday Supermarkets. So between these two, we all know turmeric is a skin whitening agent. Apart from skin whitening, it smoothens the face, brightens the face, makes your face glow. And then cinnamon powder is very good for those with acne. So if you want to make a scrub for those with acne, you can add cinnamon powder to it. But today I'll be using turmeric powder. I'll just be adding half a tablespoon of the turmeric. I'm going to stir. I don't like my scrub being like, watery. I don't like adding water. Even honey, at times I don't like to add honey to it. If you want to add anything water, it's better you blend tomato juice, cucumber, and add to it. But if you're making it for sale and you want to add tomato juice or cucumber juice, make sure you use a preservative. So I'll be adding my honey, even though I don't normally use honey for my scrub, but I'll be adding honey for the benefit of those that love honey. Honey is also a very strong, it has many benefits, skin benefits. 2 tablespoons, that's enough. You don't want so much honey, and because at times when you add honey to sugar scrub, at times between 2 to 3 days it just turns watery. I've not really gotten to know the cause of it, maybe fake honey or what, but I don't know. But each time, like this honey now is pure original honey from the monastery. So yeah, it is simple way to make your body scrub, face scrub using just 4 ingredients: brown sugar, turmeric powder, sweet almond oil, olive oil, and baking soda. Sorry. So when you're done, just store in an airtight container. Make sure you don't keep it in the bathroom. If you want to leave it in the bathroom, make sure there is no way water can touch it. Yeah, it's a more. And here you have it, your brown sugar scrub. So easy to make, easy to use, smoothens your face, brightens your face, removes all sorts of dark spots, and firms your face too. So hope you enjoy these tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do follow us on Facebook at Pure Organic Skincare, on Instagram Pure Organic Skincare /Nigeria. Thank you for watching and have a happy holidays.